3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing the new Odacite Tinted SPF. These are SPF 50. Guys, I did a video on their SPF on my TikTok. This is just the regular non-tint. It's mineral drops 50 SPF. It has green tea, sheer sunscreen. It's super lightweight, protection from UV light, has the highest PA protection. You know what I mean? So anyway, I tried it on and they commented on my TikTok and they were like, you should try the tinted SPF that we have coming out. And I got them. And I got 2 shades because there's only 5 shades. Fix that. There's only 5 shades. So I got 2. I got 3 and 4. I'm going to mix them together to get my perfect shade. If you guys want to see the review, go ahead and keep watching. They claim that this is a velvety, light, and hydrating formula. Also offers the highest PA plus protection against aging effects of the sun. Free of silicones and fragrances, 40-minute water resistant. It's supposed to even out your skin tone. It doesn't have a lot of tint. So we are going to try them. These are the 2 shades that I got. I mean, I don't know. They're $48, right? Also, my shirt says whatever. They are $48. You have to shake it really well before using. Do I feel like 48 is a lot? I do feel like 48 is a lot for SPF. But you know, it's tinted SPF. But even their untinted SPF is 48. So I don't know. It's clean SPF. And I don't think that explains anything. I think these brands really need to like figure it out. The under eye patches that I'm using today are from Circle Clean, and I'm using the brightening ones. For my moisturizer, I actually have a sample of the Odacite Blue Balm Repair, and I'm not gonna lie, I do like this moisturizer, but I like their green smoothie better. Their green smoothie moisturizer, oh, I love that one. I wish I had that one. That one is definitely my fave. So first I'm going to use the lighter shade. Like, you see what I mean? The light shade is just too light. And this is exactly how I'm gonna apply it, like I'm highlighting. And on my nose. Okay. And then the darker shade. 2 pumps. I'm sorry, 2 pumps, I mean. Oh my God. You see that? You see how I mixed just the right amount and the placement of it looks perfect because I have brightening here. What am I? What am I? A genius. An artiste. Yeah. Nobody can mix color like me. I should have been, oh my God, I should have went to art school. Ugh. What a waste. Now the world will never know my talents. Right here, I gotta careful because I put a little too much white right here. I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful. The white is overwhelming my hair. Yeah. Guys, I created the perfect shade. I like the feel of it. Okay, the texture, it doesn't feel too watered down. That was my initial problem with the like non-tinted SPF they had. Just so watery and like too dewy on the skin. And you guys know I like me a dewy foundation. You know I like me dewy. Yeah, this is so dewy too. It's very, very dewy. It's very, very dewy, okay? But what do we think? Should we finish the look? Should we add blush? So for blush, what should we use today? I'm guessing no, it has to be cream. So why don't we use Tower 28 Office Hours? Cute, right? Okay. I'm not going to do concealer, but I'm going to set my under eye and like my high points with powder. And just to see. Yeah. I think just like the shininess under my eye was bugging me. But now that it's the shine has been controlled, oh my god, you guys, this is so good. And this powder, me and this powder for lifers. All right, this is the, oh my gosh, look how used it is. And this is what I love. I want to see it used. This is, how long will this last me? 24 months, okay. This is the RMS blush, Hanky Panky. This is my everyday now. This is my life. This is my life, and I can do what I want. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you guys think? Seriously. I think I like it. It feels lightweight. In the beginning, there was that feeling of like something was sitting on my face. Guys, I don't like my hair. But I like this better. Yeah, I like it like this better. Okay. I think it was just too much in my face. In the beginning, there was this feeling like it was just too much. It was sitting on my face. I can feel it. But a little powder under the eye, my chin and my forehead, and that shininess kind of reduced. I like it. I really like it. I look like myself. It's very skin. I like that it's SPF 50. And it actually has a very nice amount of coverage. And I think I like that I have the two shades. You should have my shade Odacite. You need to expand the shade range. But the fact that I had the two shade allowed me to kind of like highlight my face in a way that I wanted. And I think it turned out really pretty. And of course, I love my RMS blush. You guys, you know I love this blush. I've talked about it in almost every video in the last like 3 or 4 videos. It has really become my everyday blush. Also, the Tower 28 Office Hours. That's my shade. That's my shade. On my lips, I have Tower 28 Draw On Me. And then I also have the Gen C lipstick Naomi. And on top of that, to top it off, I have the Tower 28 lip gloss. And this is Pistachio. This color apparently has been sold out everywhere. And I see why. I like it. I like it. I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 10. Right now, solid 9 out of 10 for sure. I'm gonna wear it and I'll come back to tell you guys what I really think on the end of the day. I think we have to see how it wears, right? Okay, I'm back home. It is 11:02. When I first put it on, it was around 5:45. I think it held up pretty good. Got lots of compliments. My sister said my makeup looks good. My sister rarely says your makeup looks good. Like, she's not into makeup. So if it doesn't look good, she won't tell you. I think it looks good. I think it looked really good in photos as well. Like, it wasn't overly glowy. I think the powder really settled it. It feels good. It didn't break apart. My blush and anything else I put on top sat really well. I feel good about it. I'm gonna give this a solid 9. If I had my exact match, I would definitely give it 10 out of 10. My only thing is with tinted SPFs, I feel like you still have to wear SPF anyway, because you won't be putting enough amount of the tinted SPF for it to actually account for the amount of sunscreen that you would be applying regularly. So I don't know, I would still wear SPF with my tinted SPF, which is what I do. I don't know how I'm gonna do with these. Maybe I will use the Odacite SPF, the clear one, the untinted one, and then I'll just also add on to the SPF, because I believe that the tinted SPF is just add on. It's not really SPF. Am I wrong? If I'm wrong, someone correct me. I don't believe I'm wrong though. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Follow me on TikTok. I post so much more on there. It's going to be somewhere on my screen. If you want, no pressure. Cyberbullying is a thing. Have a good day.